What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. So today wala tayong camping. Instead we are just gonna barbecue sa bahay. Mag-iihaw tayo ng inihaw na pusit. Tapos early celebration ng Father's Day. And papakita ko yung mga lulutuin natin mamaya. See you guys there. Ito guys, katapos lang natin mag-grocery. Punta tayo ng Seafood City, Filipino Market. So ngayon, anuhin muna natin yung yung lempo natin. Tsa! Tapos, marinate lang natin ng ganito. Lalagay lang natin sa marinate natin.
Stroll downtown this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. My heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night.
Yan talaga yung Ano tumutulog yung
Talaga yan eh.
Sino yung
Mga bagay na ganun nangyayari yan.
Kaya nga eh. May tao yata. Oh shit, may tao. Sino yun? Ayun Ayun, napakita ka din
Father's Day.
What's up, bro? Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day, brother.
Kweta tropa.
Holy shit. What is this?
Siyempre di maalis yung utol mo, kailangan kasama dyan. Ayun
What is this? Oh my God.
You know?
Wow.
Ano yan?
I don't know.
Stateside?
Holy shit.
Ano,
Not
bago
even.
yun. Bago yun.
Import.
Import.
To.
Kaya titikman mo din yan, syempre. Tapos ano?
Ah.
Ano na ba daw?
Sige na kami.
Review.
Oh my God.
Keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music go reveal through the night.
Tapos na natin yung vlog natin ngayon kasi masyado na tayo nagdrama. So, actually, next time, mag-vlog tayo ng medyo maaga pa. So, next time, see you guys. Yes. Yeah.
Fucking proud of you.
Good night.
Fucking proud of you.
Kailangan ko sabihin.